हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं रेन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर से एक्सरसाइज इन ग्रामर 18। अगेन ये जो एक्सरसाइज है ये भी कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स पर बेस्ड है। कंपैरिजन कैसे करते हैं एडजेक्टिव्स का, इसके लिए आप हमारी एक्सरसाइज 17 है इसे देख सकते हैं। उसमें हमने बताया है कितने डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन होते हैं और कैसे उनको हम कर सकते हैं। अपनी एक्सरसाइज शुरू करते हैं। Supply appropriate comparative or superlative to each of the following. Prevention is dash than cure, better. Akbar had a dash region than Barber, longer. Sachin Tendulkar is the dash batsman in the world, best. The pen is dash than the sword, mightier. The dash buildings are found in America, loftiest. The Pacific is dash than any other ocean, larger. Which of the two girls has the dash dress? More beautiful. Honor is dash to him than life, dearer. This pen is dash than the other, costlier. Who is the dash boy in the class? You can write anything, tallest or cleverest. The Eiffel Tower is dash than Qutub Minar, older. My uncle is dash than my father, younger. The multimillionaire Mr. Sen is the richest in this town. Wordsworth is a greater poet than Cowper. Balu is the dash bowler in the 11th. Best. The streets of Mumbai are dash than those of Ahmedabad. Broader. Ooty is dash than Chennai. Cooler. The piano was knocked down to the dash bidder. Highest. Mount Everest is the dash peak of Himalayas. Highest. He rides a dash hand than his brother. More beautiful. He rides the dash hand in the class. Best. He is one of the dash speakers in Punjab. Greatest. Who was the dash general, Alexander or Caesar? Mightier. The dash fables are those attributed to Asop. Most popular. The Arabian Nights is perhaps the dash storybook. Most interesting. Shakespeare is dash than any other English poet. Greater. Of all countries, China has the dash population in the world. Largest. Cloud floats in the sky because they are lighter than the air. There are two ways of doing the sum, but this one is easier. It is good to be clever, but it is better to be industrious. This is the dash of my two sons. Elder or eldest, both can come. This is the dash that I can do. Utmost. तो ये जो है हमारी एक्सरसाइज कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स पर बेस्ड थी। अब मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज 19 में।